You should create a portfolio with only blue chip companies. True or false? Absolutely false. Let me tell you why. There are thousands and thousands of companies which are listed on the stock market. You can literally go and pick and choose and buy shares of any of those companies. Why would you invest only in the top 5 to 10% of the companies? Blue chips are companies which are extremely large, which are well established, the management of which is known to the entire world. You know, the popular ones, the ones who have the biggest telecom names, the ones which are the best in petrochemicals, the best hotel, the best conglomerate of the country, the best tobacco based company which has a lot of money, which has grown tremendously, the best engineering company of the country. I'm not even mentioning names, but you have these neurons getting fired up and you're guessing the names of these companies. Those are blue chip companies. But would you want to invest only in these companies? I would say no, because although these companies hold a lot of value, although these companies are the largest companies of the country, although these companies will give you good returns, the growth of these companies is relatively, I'm not going to say that the growth of these companies is saturated, but the growth of these companies is relatively predictable. They can't grow 50% in a year, 20% in a year, because they are really, really, really large. Let's say an elephant in the first 10 years, the amount it is going to grow, and then for the next 40 years, the growth is not going to be as fast as it is in the first 10 years. Blue chip companies are those matured elephants. They keep growing, they keep doing good business, they'll give you good returns, they'll give you dividends, they'll give you good growth in your capital. Yes, please have a lot of portfolio composition of these blue chip companies, but also focus on the other companies, the small caps, the mid caps, the good quality companies which are going to grow. Do you think the internet industry is going to grow in this country? I think yes. That's why I'm making so much videos on the internet. You're consuming so many videos on the internet. So invest in companies which are giving you broadband services. Invest in companies which are, making good phones. Invest in electronic accessory companies. Invest in companies which are into electrical equipments, companies which are making wires, companies which are in power transmission. These are the companies which are still going to grow a lot. Do you think the food industry is going to grow tremendously in this country? Absolutely yes. What is going to grow on a much faster scale? The food-based business or the biggest bank of this country? The biggest bank is definitely going to grow because there's a lot of scope. But the food company is probably going to grow at 40% CAGR over the next 10 years. CAGR is compounded average growth rate. You need to learn about all of these things. You need to expand your vocabulary of finance. The more you consume videos like these, the more you're going to learn. Ask me if you have any questions, and I'm going to try and make these small capsule videos explaining these concepts to you. So the concept for today is, please invest a good amount of your portfolio in blue chip companies because they are really good, but do not create a portfolio entirely of blue chip companies. Maybe let's say 60% of your portfolio can be blue chip companies, 70% can be blue chip companies. If you are extremely risk averse, put 80% in blue chip companies, but put 20% in other small cap, medium cap, and companies which are still in the growth phase. Do your research. Talk to people, figure out which companies are good, do a lot of reading. There's a lot of good quality material available online and in other parts of, the media. I hope this video has given you some perspective. You've learned something. I hope you will now want to invest in both sorts of companies. Wish you all the luck with your investments. That's it from me in today's video. I'm Manish Ahuuja. This is Paycheck to Profit, India's first online community, helping you strengthen your money mindset, grow your wealth, learn about investing. If you want to connect with us, there are a lot of links down below. Connect with us on our Facebook group. I've started posting a lot on Instagram. Connect with me on Instagram. Just do anything and everything possible to keep learning about your money mindset. That's all what I have to tell you, and that's all what I have to tell you even in today's video. That's about it. I'll now see you in the next one. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Kaching!